Spectrum routers utilize both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands. The 5 GHz band operates at higher frequencies, offering faster speeds and less interference. The 5 GHz band ranges from 5.1 to 5.8 GHz, providing data rates up to 1300 megabits on Wi-Fi 5 and even higher with Wi-Fi 6 and 6E routers. This results in lower latency around 10 to 20 milliseconds and reduced interference, making it ideal for streaming, gaming, and multiple devices. Note that Spectrum's 5G home internet is a different service using cellular towers, not just enabling the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. Newer Spectrum routers with Wi-Fi 6 and 6E often automatically prioritize the 5 GHz band. Average Wi-Fi speeds reach 300 to 500 Mbps when 5 GHz is active. To enable 5 GHz on your Spectrum router for non-5G home internet service, start by accessing the router's interface. Open a web browser and enter either 192.168.0.1 or spectrum.net in the address bar. Once logged in, navigate to the Wireless or Wi-Fi Settings section. Look for the 5 GHz network option and ensure it is enabled. It may be labeled as 24G, 5G, or have separate network names. To optimize speeds, set the channel width to 80 MHz for the 5 GHz band. For enhanced security, switch to WPA3 encryption if available. Manually connect your devices to the 5 GHz SSID to ensure they use the faster band. Regularly check for firmware updates through the MySpectrum app or router login, as these often include auto-optimization features. For Spectrum 5G home internet, ensure your modem is correctly installed and use the Spectrum app speed tests for optimization. In hybrid setups with cable and 5G backup, enable 5 GHz on both routers for best performance.